morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I was in Walmart the other day and I saw some eye of the round beef. And to my knowledge, I've never eaten any, so I'm just going to try it today. I've read up on it. One place says to soak it overnight in some kind of marinara sauce. One place says just to put it on the crock pot and let it cook slow in just a little bit of water. So what I'm going to do today is we're just going to cook this in the crock pot a couple of hours and see if it gets tender. Then I'm going to add gravy and onions in it. So to get started, everything I have read says to beat it before I do anything with it. So I have this little mallet, so let's just see. Okay, I have got it. I have beat it, and so we're going to just lay it in the crock pot. And everything I have read up on it is it says to pour water in it, but not to cover the meat. Just let it have some water in it. And that's what I've done. Now we're going to put the lid on it. We're going to set it on low for a couple of hours and just see what we've got. We might have bird feed or something, but anyway, I'll give it a shot. Okay, while my meat's cooking, I'm going to dice me up 2 onions, throw it in the pot, and let them be cooking. I love onions. I can't see where onions would hurt or would not help this meat. I have read up on this meat, and one place says it's really, really tough. Another place says to cook it slow, have just enough water in the bottom of the pan, not to cover it up. So I really don't know, but we shall find out, and I will definitely let you know whether to try this or not to. Okay, I have now cut up 2 onions. I'm just going to put them around this meat. Got the lid on it. Going to leave it alone for a couple of hours and we shall see what we have. Okay, my eye of round steak has been cooking for 4 hours and I just want to see what it has done. I just want to see if it's anyways tender. Oh, not bad. Doesn't look bad. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take Heinze beef gravy and pour over my meat, and we're going to let it cook on for maybe 30 minutes, another hour, and we're going to have us some dinner. First, I'm going to put that back in the pot. I've been reading up on this. Some people were saying it would be so tough I wouldn't be able to eat it, but it doesn't appear to be that tough. So we're just going to stir this up a little bit. I do want to see if any of those onions have got done. Put the lid back on it, and we shall let it cook on for probably another hour. But I just want to see if my onion is done. You know, that's actually edible just like that. I am going to let it cook just a little bit more, and I'll come back and show you the end product. Okay, it's been cooking another hour, so let's just check and just see what we have this time. looks good, so let's try it out. Oh, it has got a lot tender. As you can see, it is done. I can't believe how much more tender it's got in that last hour. So I'm going to fix me some cream potatoes, and we're going to put us some meat and gravy in all over our potatoes, and we've got dinner ready. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please join my channel. Give me your comments, and come back to see me again. Have a good day. Bye.